Hello there. Let's have a quick walk into the South Park Street Cemetery. As you might know, Park Street is really a very popular place in Kolkata. And if you are looking to have a quiet, calm and green destination to visit for a couple of hours, please do visit this cemetery. The Park Street Cemetery was one of the earliest non-church cemeteries in the world and probably the largest Christian cemetery outside Europe and America in 19th century. It was basically opened in 1767. The cemetery was in use until about 1830 and it is now a heritage site protected by Archaeological Survey of India. It has more than 2000 graves and tombs. You will find many great personalities were buried here, like Henry Louis Vivian Diageo, who was a great teacher and poet. Other person, if I name, like Sir William Jones, who was an ideologist, founder of Asiatic Society. Let's roam around a little more. There are many rumors that ghosts and spirits roam here, but as an atheist, I assure you that ghosts are just stories. Freely explore places as you wish. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.